Welcome back, Year 10. I hope you've had a really nice, restful half term. I hope you've managed to get away from the computer a little bit and have looked after yourself both physically and mentally. We all saw the announcement that came from the government on Monday. I just want to make sure that we're all a bit clear on a few things and give you some information on our return back to school. So, as you're aware, schools are reopening on the 8th of March. Now, for us as a year group, we need to make sure that we're keeping out on any further information that will be sent home in the next couple of days. So we're either going to do it through email, through post. You need to check Facebook, Instagram, the school's normal social media pages, and also next week's assembly as well. It might be that yes, schools are open on the 8th of March, but our year group will have a different date and a different time for their return. And this will also give you some information on what our return to school is expected to look like. So please keep an eye out for any sort of post or emails coming from the school. When we do return to school, it's expected for students to take part in our COVID testing. Obviously, this is there to make sure that everyone in the school environment is safe. So not just students, but teachers, all the care workers, the canteen staff. Everyone will be getting tested to make sure that everyone on site is safe. For us to do this, we need to have consent from parents, and we are aware that these tests are not mandatory for students to do, but we do strongly recommend everyone getting consent for these tests and having these tests over the first 2 weeks, just to make sure that we can catch any sort of symptoms very early on and make sure that a school is a safe environment. The school have sent letters home already, consent forms home. So please check all of your emails and anything else you might need to look through. Ask for your parents to consent for the forms and return them to school as soon as possible. When we do return to school, we know that face masks are going to be mandatory. So we need to make sure that, obviously, in and around the school building, that every single person, every student, every teacher, every member of staff within the school has a face mask. We are a year into a pandemic. There should be no excuses for not having a mask in school. So, just as a reminder, when we do return to school in a couple of weeks, you need to make sure you have a face mask with you. We will check this, obviously, when you're lining up in your form groups and when you enter the school through the front or side gate. But please make sure you bring one with you every single day. So just looking forward for the next 2 weeks then. We have to still continue with our online learning. Just because we're returning to school in 2 weeks doesn't mean we should give up on the learning process that's still taking part. So please attend all of your live lessons as usual. You need to still complete all of your pre-recorded lessons and have a look at completing all of the work on Show My Homework. Within the next 2 weeks, you will be returning to classrooms. You'll be speaking to teachers that have been doing online learning and been setting work for you. So you need to make sure that you are up to date when you return to school. So you need to catch up with all the work that you may have missed if you haven't engaged with certain lessons. Because otherwise, when we return to school, we're just going to be behind other students, and it means that our learning progress is going to take a bit of a hit. So please have a look back through previous work, make sure you attend all of your lessons as usual, and then try to get yourself set up and ready and prepared for when we return in 2 weeks. Other than that, guys, we are going to be, obviously, as a school, sending out information as the days go on. So please just keep checking your emails, Facebook pages, and Instagram. I'm aware that loads of you will have concerns at this stage. So if you do have any concerns, please just email me at j.stafford@theforestacademy.co.uk. As a school, we're really looking forward to having all of you back and being back in classrooms, because that's the way lessons should be done rather than online. I have missed you guys as a head of year. I've missed seeing you in the playground, interacting with each other. I've missed seeing you in classes, working so hard. So it's going to be a nice, beneficial way for us to get back to learning, and hopefully we'll have a nice environment when we do return, a nice, safe environment. So over the next 2 weeks, as a reminder, just continue working hard. Make sure you're accessing all your online lessons. Keep yourself safe. Make sure that you return your consent forms. And obviously, if you have any concerns, then just email me on the address on the screen at the moment.